Today I will show you how to use our apps to control the sliding gate. This is Bluetooth, so I will connect it first. Open the apps and we search the. Okay, this is our sliding controller ID. So this ID we can edit when we open it. So okay, so we just, if we are the administrator, and then we can program our password and the user can enter their password. Then this is the user ID. This ID cannot change. It just read the ID from your phones. So when we use this ID, we can enter the factory's pin and this the user ID we can input it, then save and upload to the machine. Then we can see when I press, you can see the sliding and working. Close and open. And also we can change the name. Okay. We can change it. Okay, modify it. Okay, after we change it, it will. Okay, it had changed, right? So if the name is not changed, we can menus to close the Bluetooth and open turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Then it will be, it can search. So we can try it. Yes. And the control distance about 30 meters. Thank you.